Kakhat artrik kelalingkot arjar san na kasunang mau kudok haba ka wai ka kali kinong jo kai perthei ki bana asam kala kala khongpong hakba arngot ki basong te ka kali kila Mynsaw kala long kum ka jingpin kan mau mat ka ei ka bajau snem baladep ICAR Umroi haus snem baladep kata kakhat san trik nai weng ka wai ka thuk thuk ka badan arngot ki samla kala sha tenra haka kali ka basenran yu menteri sarkar ka jilla kat baki dang don halinti banlej shaka tamasa cherry blossom ka bapelong ha bairmbong para kani ka Jingjia ui samlaw laklat no ashen para kani ka Jingjia kalami ka jing penrem halor ka jing bomdan mensim Bynriew ni ka jing solem jang kita ki Bynriew ki badan hakabor naga jingmi ki jing penrem batru ki badawa badai ban pendu no ya kata ka VVIP culture hapo ka jilla kala ketik bahaya ka jingmut jing perkhat jang menteri rang ba ukondrat sangma ubaladep ban kuborru ya ka jingnan kam ban wanra daki kindon trikam menteri rang ba ka jilla ukonrat sangma haus nem baladep ulapen bana ba sarkar jilla kan wanra da ka thup ki kindon lani ka standard operating procedure SOP na ka benta ka jing pedon kam ki siren ki yet yong but flickering light khnang ban num wanra jing thut ki paj ba hakalik kawan.
I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is of course a matter of concern. We had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge home and all the other officials, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, and we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and who can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented and done as per the SOP. And as I mentioned, keeping the safety and security matter in front of us, we will work towards ensuring that this safety and security is not again abused in a manner in which it becomes a nuisance to the public. So the balancing of these two is what is required. We should be able to minimize the inconvenience caused to the people.
De lor kani balala pat banyo I kata kakadar trik kulalingkot bah kapor budang wan pai na sora kabama ubat ki menteri sarkar kumju ki officer sarkar ki lapelong ya ka jingelang jong ka kenhon menteri kumju banjurep iki katu kat ni ki jaka jongok kai kata ka shpau bat khatwei trik kulalingkot arja rupsan makin ye kendo bat kawei ka Jingjia ka ba kawei ka kali kala kala khongpong ka surok hamau kudak kat ba kini ki arngot ki Bynriew ki dangdon halinti na sora sa Shillong ukonrat haringkat ba menteri sarkar katanat ka koi ka kya ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo Mario I ka ni ka Jingjia kila pensange ya ka kali pat ban Hiar na ka kali ban ai Jingïarap shiki ba Mynsaw patru panyo I ba ki Bynriew na ka koi ka kya kentup doktor badan na ka kam bat menteri rang ba kila la ban ai ka jingsumar first aid pat ban pha no tak ambulance shiki arngot cha hospital. Doctor.
Don't talk to him.
Do you have doctor medicine here?
Oh, doctor, the team is there. Your team is there.
He's my doctor. He's my doctor. Alex? Any injury? He's asking me an injury. कुछ दर्द कुछ नहीं है ना?
नहीं Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.